So I had another post-apocalyptic dream last night. The sky was dark and the buildings were crumbling and you had to sneak around the streets quietly. I was dating Julian Smith and we decided we were going to go visit this refugee camp because apparently we had some friends who lived in this refugee camp. So we get to this camp and it's this one house and it's like run down really bad, like it's beat up, falling apart. But people live here, and so we go inside to find our friends, and I meet Alex Day. Because Great Britain had sunk into the ocean. So yes, England didn't exist anymore, and so Alex's whole family had moved to the United States, and they were living in this refugee camp. So apparently I had met him like once before or something like that, and so we were talking, and yeah, whatever, we became friends. And so me and Julian decided we were going to stay the night because it was too dangerous to like get back to our house because we live far away. So it was too dangerous to travel or something. So we decided we were going to stay the night. And so I'm laying in my bed and the cots were set up like right next to each other, like in lines and lines, and there were just tons and tons of beds packed into this tiny little house. And so Julian was in one bed, I was in the next bed, and then Alex was in the bed next to me. So I was just sitting there talking to Alex, like, just talking, being friends, whatever, and I fell asleep. And in my dream, I met Alex Day. And I remember thinking in my dream, oh, this is funny because I actually already know him, so it's funny that I'm having a dream that I'm meeting him. So then when I woke up, it was real life. And I thought to myself, oh, well, I really do know Alex Day, and that was just a dream where I was meeting him. I really do know him. But it was real life. So when I opened my eyes, I was in my room, not in the refugee camp, and there were no beds next to me, and there's no Alex, and there's no Julian. And I was like so upset because I really thought that these were like, it was so realistic that I thought these were my friends, and the whole like double dream thing tricked me into thinking that the first dream was real. So I was really upset when I woke up and I found out that I don't actually know Alex Day or Julian Smith. Yeah. And then I went back to sleep and and it was post-apocalyptic again, and I was with my friends from junior high, and they were all like, we're gonna have a party. And so we went to this supermarket and everything was crumbling or whatever, but the supermarket was on the second floor and the only way you could get to it was by standing on this like metal bar. And you stand on the metal bar and you have to hold two little metal bars next to your head, and it hoists you up in the air and it zooms you around the ceiling until you get to the place where you need to be. And it was scary and I thought I was going to fall off. It was a sad dream night. Okay, bye.